Press Windows and S to open search, type Command Prompt, and click on Run as administrator. Click Yes in the prompt. In the command prompt, type SFC/SCANNOW and hit Enter. You can copy the command from the video's description. Windows will now run the System File Checker tool, and the progress will be displayed here. During the process, SFC will scan all the protected system files, and if any are found corrupted or missing, the tool will repair or replace them depending on the situation. Windows stores a cached copy of system files within its directory on the system drive, and that's where SFC fetches the new system files from. Even to identify possible corruption, it compares existing system files with their cached copies. Once the SFC scan is complete, check the message. If it says, Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations, the system files are fine. No further actions are required. In case you get another message, check our blog from the video's description to find out what to do next. Also, verify whether the problem you were trying to fix still persists. If so, run the DISM or Deployment Image Servicing and Management tool as well. SFC Scan Explained. SFC or System File Checker is a built-in Windows tool that checks your system files for corruption or missing parts. If any protected system files are damaged or missing, SFC replaces them with the correct versions from a backup folder. The scan can take 10 to 15 minutes or more. It depends on your system's speed, so be patient and avoid interrupting it. If SFC can't fix the problem, running DISM helps repair the file store SFC relies on, giving you better results. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.